Hi, friends. Welcome to your weekly motivational moments with Eric Vickery, president of coaching at All Star Dental Academy. This week, I want to talk to you about 5 killers of team unity. We take this one pretty serious. So, what is it that creates challenges, rifts, things that are going on in the practice that create barriers? And how do we recognize them? What describes them? Number one, most powerful killer of team unity is poor communication. When you don't know how to communicate as a family, as a team, you're going to have dysfunction. It's going to trickle down. You can't sweep things under the carpet. That won't work. Number 2, gossip. I joke often that I love gossip. I love hearing the tea, but it is a killer of team unity. It takes 2 to tango. So take it back to the source. Do not allow gossip to fester on your team. Number 3, unresolved disagreements. Unresolved disagreements, I'm going to talk about in a moment with the 3 R's. Unresolved disagreements means I can't let go of something. Number 4, lack of shared purpose. I don't know our purpose. I don't know our vision. I don't have our cause. A few weeks ago, we talked about this. Knowing what will inspire you is your cause, understanding your why. Might be a good time to go back to that and revisit that. Number 5, permitted incompetence. Nothing more frustrating than 4 team members really killing it and 1 team member riding coattails. That's really going to hurt the team. So today, this week, I want to go back to unresolved disagreements, number 3 on this list. When you have disagreements, you have a tendency to fall into a trap of what we call the 3 R's, and you want to avoid these. The 3 R's go from resistance to resentment to revenge. From resistance to resentment to revenge. Now, these 3 R's are born out of disagreements. I don't like what you said there, and now I'm going to resist being around you. I don't like your attitude. I don't like the way you handled that. It's a disagreement. I don't like your attitude. I'm going to resist you, and now I'm going to start to resent you, and then revenge. Okay? I bought everybody coffee except for you. I didn't know what you wanted. Okay? And I want to give you the solution here, guys. The number 1 most powerful characteristic any team can carry is the ability to utilize forgiveness. If you can figure out as a team that forgiveness is a tool to be used, not abused, not overused, but a tool for you, forgiveness is a key to the long-lasting team. The longest lasting teams have been able to communicate through disagreements by way of forgiveness. You might need to seek forgiveness. You might need to apologize. Whatever side of that you're on, we probably have 2 people playing a role in that disagreement, that challenge, that frustration, whatever it is. So your weekly motivational moment this week is identify any of those killers in yourself. You're not pointing fingers here, and say, okay, am I playing a role in any sort of communication problems? Do I gossip? Do I have unresolved disagreements with someone? Do I not understand or agree with our purpose? And where am I incompetent? Those are things that I want you to acknowledge and say, okay, if any of those things are happening, I will deal with them, but especially a disagreement. I want you to work on seeking forgiveness with each other. Have a great week, guys.